Procurement Planning Guideline Part 3 of 3, Effective Use of Strategic Procurement Planning. Effective use of strategic procurement planning is critical for organizations to optimize their purchasing processes, reduce costs, and enhance overall performance. Here are key practices to ensure the effective use of strategic procurement planning. Number 1. Increase efficiency and reduce procurement time. Greater flexibility allows procurement arrangements to be more tailored to the contracts being purchased, resulting in faster activity processing and more efficient contract execution. Appropriate procurement arrangements boost the attractiveness of the organization to credible contractors, suppliers, and consultants. Greater consideration of supply market circumstances, local capability, stakeholders, and hazards aids in the structuring of procurement agreements to reduce the possibility of collusion, inadequate responsive bids, rebidding, and or cost overruns. Number 2. Reduce risk and improve quality. During procurement planning, a complete project procurement risk assessment ensures that borrower and supply market risks are identified and addressed. Better planning helps to ensure that contracts are given based on proper specifications and evaluation criteria, which may include an adequate cost estimate over the asset's life. Number 3. Deliver value for money. Well-planned, fit-for-purpose procurement arrangements will deliver better value for money. Better consideration of trade-offs between costs and quality. Consideration of sustainability, both environmental and social factors, and of a healthy supply chain. Improve fitness for purpose. Procurement arrangements are developed and implemented to be flexible in order to reflect the strategic needs and conditions of the contract to be obtained. A deeper grasp of major procurement alternatives such as specifications, bidding procedures, review criteria, and contract packaging aids in their proper usage and use. Effective use of strategic procurement planning. Improve fitness for purpose. Procurement arrangements are developed and implemented to be flexible in order to reflect the strategic needs and conditions of the contract to be obtained. A deeper grasp of major procurement alternatives such as specifications, bidding procedures, review criteria, and contract packaging aids in their proper usage and use. 1. Template development. 2. Identifying needs. 3. Budgeting. 4. Developing procurement plan. 5. Approval and authorization. 6. Supplier relationship management. 7. Risk management. 8. Performance evaluation. 9. Record keeping. 10. Closure. Strategic planning is a process that organizations use to define their direction and make decisions on allocating their resources to pursue this direction. There are various approaches to strategic planning, each with its own set of principles and methods. Here are some common strategic planning approaches. Number 1. Traditional/linear planning. Number 2. Scenario planning. Number 3. Goal-based planning. Number 4. Alignment planning. Number 5. Incremental planning. Number 6. Portfolio planning. Number 7. Organic planning. The choice of a strategic planning approach depends on factors such as the organization's culture, industry, goals, and the level of uncertainty in its environment. Many organizations may use a combination of these approaches to create a comprehensive and adaptive strategic planning process. Strategic planning is a methodical process used by businesses to establish priorities, allocate resources, and synchronize activities in order to achieve their objectives. There are several ways to strategic planning, and businesses frequently modify their approach to their unique goals, industry, and internal dynamics. Here are some examples of popular strategic planning approaches. There are 4 common approaches which are reactive, proactive, responsive and prosponsive. How to improve procurement planning. Improving procurement planning is critical for firms that want to improve their purchase operations, cut costs, and increase overall efficiency. Here are some tips for better procurement planning. Number 1. Stakeholder collaboration. Involve important stakeholders in the procurement planning process, such as departments, end users, and decision makers. Collect feedback and requests from diverse stakeholders to verify that procurement plans are in line with corporate objectives. Involve key stakeholders, engage relevant departments and stakeholders early in the planning process. Understand their needs and requirements to ensure that procurement plans align with overall organizational objectives. Number 2. Market research and intelligence. Conduct thorough market research on a regular basis to keep current on industry trends, supplier capabilities, and market dynamics. Analyze price trends, supplier performance, and possible hazards using market intelligence technologies. Number 3. Stakeholder collaboration. Involve key stakeholders, engage relevant departments and stakeholders early in the planning process. Understand their needs and requirements to ensure that procurement plans align with overall organizational objectives. Number 4. Data-driven decision-making. Make educated buying decisions by leveraging data analytics. Analyze previous procurement data, performance indicators, and market trends to discover opportunities for improvement and optimization. Number 5. Technology integration. Implement e-procurement systems and other relevant technologies to automate and streamline procurement processes. Utilize digital tools for requisition, sourcing, supplier management, and contract management. Number 6. Strategic sourcing. Adopt strategic sourcing methodologies to identify the best suppliers for specific categories of goods or services. Evaluate the total cost of ownership rather than focusing solely on the purchase price. Number 7. Supplier Relationship Management, SRM. Establish and maintain excellent working relationships with important suppliers. Assess supplier performance on a regular basis, give criticism, and cooperate on changes. To improve openness and collaboration, share essential information with vendors. Number 8. Risk management. Implement strong risk management systems to detect, analyze, and mitigate possible supply chain hazards. Create contingency plans to deal with interruptions and uncertainty. Number 9. Continuous improvement culture. Foster a culture of continuous improvement within the procurement team. Encourage team members to regularly review and optimize procurement processes based on feedback and lessons learned. Number 10. Training and skill development. Invest in procurement professional training and development programs. Ensure that the procurement team has the requisite skills and expertise to properly implement strategic procurement. Number 11. Clear policies and procedures. Create clear and consistent procurement policies and processes. To maintain consistency and compliance, ensure that all team members understand and follow these policies. Number 12. Cross-functional collaboration. Foster collaboration between procurement and other departments, such as finance, legal, and operations. Ensure that procurement planning aligns with the broader organizational strategy and goals. Number 13. Sustainability and social responsibility. Integrate sustainability and social responsibility into procurement practices. Consider environmental, social, and ethical factors when selecting suppliers and making procurement decisions. Number 14. Regular reviews and audits. Conduct regular reviews and audits of procurement processes. Identify areas of inefficiency, non-compliance, or opportunities for improvement. Number 15. Benchmarking. Benchmark procurement processes against industry best practices. Learn from the experiences of other organizations and adopt proven strategies for improvement. Organizations may improve their procurement planning procedures, save money, decrease risks, and contribute to the overall success of their operations by following these techniques. Automation on procurement planning. The procurement planning cycle is a series of steps and activities that organizations follow to effectively plan and manage their procurement processes. Proper procurement planning is crucial for organizations to acquire goods and services in a timely and cost-effective manner while ensuring compliance with regulations and achieving overall strategic goals. The procurement planning cycle typically involves the following cycle. I hope you enjoyed this video, and before leaving, if you have not already subscribed this channel, make sure to subscribe, like and hit the bell icon to get updates when I post new videos. Provide your feedback in comments. You can download material from the below links under video.